So hey, this is Scott from Scott's Crypto Mining, and today I'm reviewing the Nano by Avalon. It's the Avalon Nano 3. They call it a space heater or a little miner, and it is sitting in my kitchen right here. That's it. It's kicking out a good amount of heat right now. I'm thinking maybe of putting this by my feet when I'm at my desk in the winter and when it's cold. And yeah, so I'm gonna walk you through this setup and talk a little bit about the Avalon Nano 3 space heater miner. So it was kind of funny when I started opening this box, you know, it felt like I was opening an Apple product, and you know, the box was slowly coming open like that, and it just feels really heavy, really solid. And yeah, it's a box that I'd probably put up in my closet and forget about for years, and think that maybe I should just keep this box on hand because it's going to increase the value when I go to resell this thing. You know, it's really slick when you first open this up. Looks like a great quality product, almost like an Apple product. You know, I'm in my kitchen, and it's interesting. This thing is actually Wi-Fi. It doesn't need any other cables except for this USB-C connector, and there's the power supply. And you can see right here, I'm in my kitchen. All I gotta do is connect it to that 110 outlet, and we're ready to mine. And I thought I could just skip the manual, you know, and go right into scanning the IP address with my IP scanner on my computer. But, you know, interestingly enough, it was easier to do it the recommended way in their manual, which is there's actually this little QR code here, and you can set it up on your iOS device or your Android, and there's an app that you download. So it makes it a little bit easier, I guess. So no manual configuration. All I really had to do was just create a Wi-Fi network using their built-in Wi-Fi SSID. It was like Nano Heater something. And so I just connected that on my phone. I went to the new SSID that this was transmitting, and it was able to configure. So when I went to the app, was able to recognize the device and add it. What I was not finding very easily was the pool settings. So I found that I actually had to scroll down in the app to find the miner management settings. And once I got there, it was super easy. It's just pre-configured with Brains pool, and all I had to do was put my existing username in there, and I was hashing. And I mean, that's really it. You know, you plug it in, you configure the Wi-Fi, configure the pool, and it starts mining. Nice little space heater. Maybe I'll put this at my feet at my desk when I'm cold in the winter. So as you can see here, it's up to speed. It's pumping out a lot of heat. I can feel that. I can hear the fan a little bit because I did put it on high. I put the heater on high, and I could tell the fan is kicking into high gear because you can hear it a tiny bit. It is 124 here. It's on level H, so that's high. And it looks like it's hashing 4.25 terahash per second. So now I've just put it on low in the app instead of high. I'm just gonna see if the level of heat starts slowing down. And actually, now the fan is starting to slow down, and I can't hear it as much now that I've put it on low. And this temperature here, or whatever that represents, now it's 78, 73. It was at like 124. Now you can see right here it says level L for low instead of H for high, and it's mining at 3.82 terahash per second. So it's starting to cool down, 55 degrees. That's the Canaan Avalon Nano 3 right there, little space heater in my kitchen right now.